wants to do better things.
Click OK. I am on the Reminders app with better things to do. Your iPhone can help you stop the unwanted reflexive scrolling and start doing better things for your future. Let me show you exactly how it's done. I will get into Instagram and see what's happening when I'm doing it.
Your future self wants to do better things.
Okay, so you can see that I have only one option. I will just click the OK. And as you can see, I am on the Reminders app with better things to do list. The first thing you need to do is to get into the Shortcuts app, and then you can see that I have the shortcut on the left upper corner, the reflexive reminders reflect, and then I have 3 steps: speak, show alert, and open. And these are the steps that we are going to do. Let's rebuild it together. So let's click the upper plus button, and on the first thing that I would like to do is to speak text. Let's write something like future self wants to do better things, as I said. And then you can see that you have an arrow, the right arrow, click it. I want you to toggle off the wait until finish because I want it to speak while the automation is processing in the background. Then the rate and the pitch is not very important, but I would like you to use the voice of bad news. This is the voice that I clicked and I chose in the earlier example. You can choose whatever voice you want, but this is a very funny voice. Let's hit done on this stage, and right now I would like to begin a new stage, and in this new stage I would like to present an alert, right? So let's search for alert, show alert, and in it I'll just want to delete the text, and I want to put in here, this is an unwanted reflexive scrolling. Something short. I'll hit return, done, and then you can see over here that we also have the right button. I'll just click it, and I want you to toggle off the show cancel button, because if you will have a cancel button, you will have an opportunity to just, do other things. So I don't want you to have the opportunity. I want to reduce the friction, and I want you to just move to the next step. Now let's move on to the next step. The next step would be to open the Reminders app. So I'll just search for it and open Reminders list. Now you can see that we have many options. I have content creation, sports, I have so many reminders lists. I'm using it all of the time. I'll create another video in which I will show exactly how I use reminders, and I think that like many people, many Apple users don't really know how to utilize their Reminders app, but it's just amazing. Let's get back into this. So we have open inbox. I really want you to go to the Reminders app, and on the bottom right corner we have add list. I will just say I will just write better things to do. You can change with an emoji and color. I really like the emoji of, I call it you. This is the one. I'll click it, and then I'll just name it 2 because I do have my own better things to do list, and then I'll hit done. And right now we have a new list. I want you to add something in it. Let's say read a book and go to the gym, record that YouTube video, whatever. I'll hit done, and then we have the list. And right now I'll just go back to the shortcut, and I will open the specific to-do list, the specific reminders of better things to do too. And that's it. Let's just try to play. So we have the speak, and then we have the alert, and then after we'll hit OK, we can see that we are on the better things to do too. Right now I want to give it a name, so let's click the upper part and then rename. I want to have a very easy name, so block Instagram and do things. Now let's move on to the automation screen of the Shortcuts app, and I will click new automation. In here we have a lot of triggers, a lot of options. I want you to choose the app one, And on the upper section, we have the app that we want to choose. You can choose many apps, you can choose more than one app, but I will just focus on Instagram. So let me find it, Instagram, done. And then I want to choose is opened, not is closed. We can choose both of them, but I want it to be only when is open. And then run immediately. We don't want to run after confirmation. We want to reduce the friction as much as possible. Then I'll just hit next, and I will try to identify the shortcut that we built, block Instagram and do things. This is the build that we've done, and I will just get out of the app, and I want to show you exactly what's happening right now.
Your future self wants to do better things.
And now choose what you want to do. Read a book, go to the gym, or record that YouTube video. I hope that you will enjoy it, and I hope that this video will encourage you to do things that you want to do. If you find this video funny or useful, please like the video. It really helps me to get to more people. I really want to help you guys overcome your distractions and understand how can you increase the friction, how can you understand what are the things that you're feeling, how can you identify those triggers that makes you become more distracted, eliminate them, and become distractionless. So until the next video, thanks you all for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next one.